Curious about joining Color Street? Here's why you'll want to join the Nailpreneurs. We're fun. We have an easy system. We work together. We have all the tools for you to succeed. Not a salesperson? No problem. Just wear it and share it. You'll enjoy repeat customers. Be your own boss. Earn free nails, supplies, and vacations. Start your own business for only $129, then $9.95 per month. Your starter kit has over $250 in value. You'll be in business for yourself, not by yourself, with your own personal website and app. You'll earn 25% to 35% commission on all retail sales. Need money fast? Commissions are paid weekly. Earn Jumpstart bonuses with cash and product awards. There's no better time than right now to start your future as a Nailpreneur. And hey, no one else has Shadow, our team mascot. www.jointhenailpreneurs.com.